Do you feel like English sounds too fast? You hear sentences, but they blur together. You try to understand, but your brain just gives up. What if I told you there's one simple method that can train your ears, improve your vocabulary, and even help your speaking all at the same time? It's called dictation. And if you're a beginner, this might be the most powerful method you're not using. What is dictation? Let's keep it simple. Dictation is when you listen to a short English audio, write down exactly what you hear, then compare it with the correct transcript. That's it. You use your ear's brain hand to decode the language. And this process forces your brain to pay attention in a way that normal listening doesn't. A simple example. Let's say you hear this sentence. I want to improve my English. But you write, I want to improve my English. You miss the word to. Now something important happens. You notice the mistake. You correct it, and your brain remembers it much better. This is how real learning happens. Not by reading, but by noticing your mistakes and fixing them. Why dictation is so powerful for beginners? 1. It trains your ears from zero. Most beginners struggle with listening. Everything sounds unclear. Words sound connected. You can't separate sounds. Dictation forces you to listen carefully. Focus on every sound. Recognize differences between words. At first, it feels difficult, but very quickly, your ears wake up. Your listening improves faster than you expect. 2. You learn real spoken English. Textbook English is clean. Real English is not. Native speakers speak fast. Connect words. Reduce sounds. For example, want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. When you do dictation, you start noticing this. You realize, oh, this is how people really speak. And that's something books don't teach you. 3. You remember vocabulary naturally. With dictation, you don't memorize words. You experience them. You hear them in context. You write them. You correct them. This activates multiple parts of your brain, and that creates stronger memory. Listening plus writing plus correcting equals long-term learning. 4. You discover your weak points. This is one of the biggest advantages. Dictation shows you exactly where you struggle. Maybe you miss small words like to or a. Confuse similar sounds. Don't understand certain structures. Now you know your problem, and you can fix it. No more guessing. No more random studying. 5. It builds deep focus. Most people listen passively. They play English in the background, but don't really pay attention. Dictation is different. You must focus 100%. Listen carefully. Think actively. This is one of the strongest forms of active listening. And active listening leads to real improvement. 6. It improves your speaking. Here's something many people don't realize. When you hear correctly, you speak correctly. Through dictation, your brain starts copying pronunciation, rhythm, sentence patterns. So even if you're not practicing speaking directly, your speaking improves. Better listening, better speaking. 4. How to practice dictation. Simple method. Here's a beginner-friendly routine. Step 1. Choose a short audio, 10-20 seconds. Step 2. Listen 1-2 times, no writing yet. Step 3. Listen again and start writing. Step 4. Replay many times until you finish. Step 5. Compare with the transcript. Step 6. Listen one last time to fix it in your mind. That's it. Simple, but extremely powerful. 5. Important tips. To make this method work, remember, don't choose audio that is too difficult. 60-70% understanding is perfect. Practice 10-15 minutes a day. You don't need more time. You need consistency. So what is dictation? It's not just listening. It's not just writing. It's a method that trains your brain to truly understand English. For beginners, it's one of the fastest ways to improve listening, learn real English, build strong foundations, If you feel stuck in English, don't try to learn everything at once. Start with this. One short audio, 10 minutes a day, and let your ears lead the way. Keep practicing. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.